How to fix Snapchat notification on iPhone. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application, and it will actually lead you here to your camera. So the next thing that you want to do is to go to your profile. So to do that, on the upper left you will see your profile icon there, or your Bitmoji, or your character. Just have to tap on that. And then on the right side, upper right, you'll see the settings there. Just have to tap on. Now, all you have to do next is to go and find the notification. So it's under two-factor authentication there. Just have to tap on that. And here you have to turn on all the notifications there to be able to receive notifications coming from Snapchat. Now, if it's still not working after doing that, is all you have to do next is to go to your settings and just go find Snapchat here and go to notifications and make sure that you have actually turned on or allowed notifications on this Snapchat application. Now, if it's still not working and you are still not receiving any notification coming from Snapchat, all you have to do is to go back to Snapchat here and then to go all go all the way down till you see support here and tap on I need help and report your problem to Snapchat community. If it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Snapchat application, and to do that you have to go to your app store. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.